Hi everyone, I'm Darren Nava from Zambales Realty, and I'm happy to meet you on our channel where I'm introducing you to the best properties for sale in Zambales. Zambales is known for its natural wonders, but it is also a place where commercial and social activities never stop, be it summer or rainy season. Is that all? Absolutely not. But it's time for you to see our today's offer. They say beauty is in the eye of the beholder. People have different appreciation of things and beauty, especially on properties. There are those who appreciate rugged terrain and mountain setup, and there are those who dare to live by the ocean. And there are those who prefer living on the plains and farmland. Well, regardless of what you prefer, what matters most is that you live happy and living life to the fullest with a property you can call home. Our property offer of the day is located in Pundakit, San Antonio, Zambales. It has a total land area of 1,300 square meters with fruit-bearing trees and other hardwood trees. The property is already secured with land title and just few minutes away from the Pundakit and San Miguel Beach. It has a very unique landscape with breathtaking mountain view, ideal for that bungalow house you've always dreamed of. Best and highest use for this property is for residential use, and the perfect retirement place with all the natural sceneries and wonders around you like mountains, fresh air, and trees where you can harvest all the freshest fruits. The best way of taking care of your family is by finding them the best property to live and rest easy. Location matters to every home investor. It is a crucial aspect in deciding whether to purchase the property or not. In the Philippines, it is a matter of choice and preference whether to live in the metro, which are usually very busy, or in the province with its tranquility. If you are at that point of choosing where is the perfect place to live is, you might want to consider this very promising province in Luzon, Zambales. Zambales is a province located in the Philippines' Central Luzon region. As the second largest in Central Luzon, it covers an area of 360,000 hectares. The province consists of 13 municipalities and one highly urbanized city, Olongapo City, plus it is neighbor to a former naval base, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. The entire stretch of the province in the west is bordered by the crystal clear water of the vast West Philippine Sea. Like us on Facebook because we have lots of properties like this on our page. Please also subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss properties like this. You may also get in touch with us via our email and book your property viewing and flipping through our contact number posted. Looking for a memorable adventure that can fully immerse you in the wonders of nature? Consider exploring the tourist spots in Zambales, home of pristine coves, beaches, forests, and waterfalls. Zambales is most popularly known as the Philippines' wreck diving capital. With its ports being a major battlefield during World War II, it's no surprise that you'll find shipwrecks here. Today, more and more adventurers and explorers are diving into its waters to explore wreckages and experience history. But Zambales is more than that. On its vast and varied landscapes lie numerous destinations to satisfy your quest for nature, culture, and history. From hiking, cave spelunking, and forest bathing, to diving, snorkeling, and sunbathing, there's just endless fun and exploration to do here. It's more fun in Zambales indeed. There's still a lot to tell about this neighborhood and this area, but it's time for now to see our today's offer. So enjoy this beautiful view and I'll see you on the other side. Zambales Realty also offers engineering services such as relocation, subdivision, segregation, topographic original survey, hydrographic survey, construction survey, parcellary survey, cadastral survey project, and many more. We also offer documents processing such as titling services for transfer and original certificate of title. We also have legal services for legal documentation for comprehensive research of property and status, and other due diligence. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss an offer like this, cause we're always on a lookout for best property deals to share with you. Stay safe. So this is it for today. I hope you'll find our video interesting. I will leave you all our contact details below. Please feel free to contact our team. We are more than happy to help you find a property of your dream. Like and subscribe and see you on our next video. Ciao! Are you selling your property? Get it featured on our channel. Send us videos of your property at darrenchanava@gmail.com. Let's get it sold. We make buyer and sellers meet. Don't forget to subscribe for more properties.